I lay in sorrow, deep depressed. My grief a proud man heard. His looks were cold. He gave me gold, but not a kindly word. My sorrow paused. I paid him back the gold he gave to me, then stood erect and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. I lay in want and grief and pain. A poor man passed my way. He bound my head. He gave me bread. He watched me night and day. Oh, shall I pay him back again for all did to me? Oh, gold is great, but greater far is heavenly sympathy.